We are Fiberrollouts.com. Our objective is to reduce labour costs and improve efficiency in fibre rollout projects. By digitising the management of the rollout process, we can standardise and automate tasks, communicate information to those who need it, and simplify collaboration between all stakeholders in the rollout. Our platform is unique in that it is built with flexibility in mind, allowing adaptation to any local project-specific needs, with functions added and modified as needed. This ensures rollout projects are delivered successfully every time. Although there is other software which can be used for planning and design of projects, many fail to provide a structured solution for the construction phase, where most time is spent. Fiberrollout.com closes that gap and structures documentation, as-built changes, and all other mandatory tasks that are required. Fiberrollout.com can be used to visualize the status of the overall rollout. Work orders cannot be released unless way leaves and permits are in order. All this can be neatly visualized on a map. Project management dashboards are updated in real time with information from workers in the field. There is also an inbuilt booking function that enables homeowners to schedule appointments directly online. Available time slots are adapted for individual homeowners based on available resources and according to the complexity of the installation. The online scheduling reduces all the hours often spent manually handling customers. Field crew use mobile phones or tablets to easily access information and report their progress. In order to not overburden them, information is automatically filtered by essential needs for that workday. Via our easy-to-use application, field workers can provide useful information back to the office in the form of pictures, notes, and adjusted object locations. The customer survey and installation templates support the technicians to document their work. Homeowners can sign off and receive all the agreed information automatically emailed as a PDF. Regulations, such as health and safety, are embedded in the forms that field workers use for their normal daily tasks. This removes the need to work in multiple separate tools. The data field workers input is immediately available for project office personnel. Automated alerts can also be set up to flag certain events, such as reported obstacles, and sent to whoever needs to be made aware of the issue. The IS Tools platform has a long history supporting the world's largest and most complex projects in telecom network rollouts, and is currently being used in several fibre projects throughout Europe. Zoom is a relatively new player in the fibre industry in the UK. Even so, they have a team of very skilled and experienced people and are using the IS Tools platform to digitise process and reduce manual work, increasing efficiency. In collaboration with IS Tools, they have built an impressive work order system, giving them control over the whole rollout progress. The system is set up to automatically check that open work orders have sufficient way leaves, permits, and resources. Customer appointments are on demand and online, without a need for many phone calls. Workflow has been automated to the largest extent possible, and they continuously improve the system by making small changes themselves as needed. Telcita is a company that rolls out fibre in Germany. Telcita has built a fantastic custom solution on the IS Tools platform. In addition to all the normal complexity there is in a fibre project, Telcita manages a multinational workforce, with many staff contracted from outside Germany and travelling in and out of the country as needed. Accordingly, they have built functions into the platform to manage travel, accommodation, and even equipment for their foreign staff. In Germany, there is a requirement to take soil samples and send them to a laboratory for testing. Telceta has built a map view where authorities can see an overview on where soil tests have been taken. Clicking on the map gives the user direct access to the soil test protocol. Telceta have granted limited access to users from external parties, such as the municipality and electricity company, for transparency and to be able to follow the rollout progress. Telceta manage their Fiberrollout IT application themselves, using in-house resources that can directly translate company needs into IT support. As changes to the application do not require any programming, Telceta can adapt and add functionality continuously to improve their efficiency. The Fiberrollout platform is multilingual. For example, in the Telceta application, users can decide to work in English, German, or even a third language of their choice. Telceta uses the application permissions to ensure data integrity is secured and to automatically limit data for users so they only view what is absolutely needed. Please visit our virtual booth or book a meeting with one of our representatives. We're more than happy to talk about your opportunities and your challenges.